Fantastic discoveries are often made when people least expect them. One great example of this is how Play-Doh was invented. It was originally used to clean wallpaper. Eventually, teachers discovered that it could be used as a modeling clay because it didn't have any toxic chemicals in it. The owners changed the name to what we now know as Play-Doh and began to market it to schools and department stores. The rest is history. Another great example is brewer's yeast. It basically comes from what remains at the bottom of the vats that make beer. One day, someone realized that this sediment might be healthy and could be used by our bodies. Now many people use it because it's high in vitamin B. Others use it for its high protein content. And still other people swear by it because of the fiber it contains. No matter the reason why people take it as a supplement, they all agree that it was a wonderful accident that revealed brewer's yeast's nutritional value. Maybe you've never taken it, but are interested in what other benefits it might have. Take a look at a few specific examples of how it could improve your health. Lowers blood sugar levels. This is excellent news for those that suffer from diabetes. Recent research has proven that the fiber content in brewer's yeast helps the body slow how quickly it absorbs sugar. Brewer's yeast also improves insulin sensitivity with its chromium levels. Improves digestion. Because it's a good source of probiotics, brewer's yeast helps balance the bacteria in our gut. Those that suffer from digestive problems like IBS could have reduced pain levels with a steady diet of brewer's yeast. It also has anti-inflammatory effect in the intestines. Some people have negative reactions to antibiotics, in part due to the imbalance that comes from stripping the digestive system of good bacteria. In these cases, brewer's yeast has lessened the severity and frequency of diarrhea. Increased iron absorption. The aforementioned vitamin B2 helps the body fully absorb iron. Brewer's yeast is plentiful in riboflavin that fights anemia and the symptoms associated with a lack of iron. Additionally, riboflavin helps to jumpstart the metabolism, which keeps us moving and feeling less sluggish. Better vision. Not only does brewer's yeast have riboflavin, B2, that has been linked to improved vision, it also contains thiamine, B1. Traditionally, medical professionals believe that low levels of thiamine play a major part in the appearance of glaucoma. Finally, high in antioxidants, brewer's yeast combats free radicals that damage the health of our eyes. Migraine relief. In some tests, riboflavin has showed promise in reducing the frequency of headaches. Patients that took riboflavin treatments had less migraines and were also able to significantly reduce the use of prescription medication for headaches. Healthier brains. We'd all love to have increased brain health, and brewer's yeast can assist in that. With all of the B vitamins it contains, this complex byproduct of beer helps cognition. The thiamine levels fight off Alzheimer's and other dementia-related issues, and many of the other vitamins fight inflammation and free radicals that wreak havoc on our central nervous system. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.